Good morning, student. Today I will discuss a new topic, female reproductive system. It is a simple part of the sexual reproduction in case of human beings. In female reproductive system, there are one pair of ovary. There are one pair of ovary which are situated at the abdominal region, at the pul- at the abdominal region. These ovary is a primary sex organ in case of female because the ovary are present in child girl after birth. So that is the primary sex organ that is called the ovary. It is a right ovary, it is a left ovary. These ovary are connected with the finger-like projection. These finger-like projection is called the fimbriae, and these fimbriae are attached around the ovary, and this funnel-like structure that is called the infundibulum. Infundibulum is a funnel-like structure, and these funnel-like structure are attached with fallopian tube. Because the fallopian tube are divided into three parts. The funnel-like structure that is called the infundibulum, and this broader part is called the ampulla, and narrow part is called the isthmus. Isthmus, ampulla, and infundibular collectively called the fallopian tube. So ovary are basically connected with the fallopian tube, but fallopian tube are divided into three parts. Funnel part is called the infundibulum, broader part is called the ampulla, and narrow tube-like structure is called the isthmus. Infundibulum form the finger-like projection that is called the fimbriae, which are attached with the ovary. Both side of fallopian tube are connect to form the uterus, and uterus are basically, it is a cavity of uterus. It covered by the three-layered. Innermost layer is called the endometrium, middle one is called the myometrium, and outer one is called the perimetrium. So endometrium which are present inside, and the endometrium also help the implantation of the fertilizer. Myometrium is a muscular in nature, and perimetrium is the outermost layer. So that is the uterus. The upper part of uterus is called the fundus, and that is called the body of fundus. These uterus are open in a cervix, that is part called cervix, and this canal is called the cervical canal. So basically cervical canal is open into vaginal opening, and the vaginal opening basically it is a external reproductive organ, and it is an internal reproductive organ. So these ovary are suspended in a abdominal region, in a pubic region, because these are attached with the help of ovarian ligament, and also it also attached to the body wall by the mesentery. So basically these ovary are suspended, take a particular position with the help of ligament. One ligament which are attached with the wall of ovary, and second these are attached with the mesentery. So basically inside the ovary there are large number of processes. Menstrual cycle, oogenesis, formation of egg are takes place. So basically ovary are a primary sex organ, and at the age of puberty these ovary are activated in the influence of the hormones. That hormone, the progesterone and estrogen, estrogen, the two type of hormones which help the oogenesis. Inside the ovary, oogenesis are takes place. Oogenesis are start at the age of puberty. When the girls reaches the age of puberty, is approximately 11 to 13 years old, the oogenesis are start inside the ovary. So it is all about the only female reproductive system, one pair of ovary, one pair of fallopian tube, single uterus. This one is called the single cervix, single cervical canal, and vaginal opening. Vaginal opening are situated at the external reproductive organ, or it is an internal reproductive organ. So, oogenesis takes place at the body temperature. So it requires the body temperature. Simple, in case of human being, body temperature is approximately 37 degrees centigrade. So at the 37 degrees centigrade, oogenesis will be take place. But in case of male, spermatogenesis take place below the 37. So in case of testis, spermatogenesis take place less than 2 degrees centigrade. But oogenesis take place 37 degrees centigrade. It is all about the male reproductive system.